Then after the meeting, what are the roles of the secretary after the meeting? This is the compliance and record keeping phase. The secretary's role is critical in transforming the meetings discussions into official corporate records. Here the company secretary drafts and finalizes minutes, drafting and finalizing minutes, drafting and finalizing minutes, drafting and finalizing minutes, drafting and finalizing minutes. That means preparing the formal minutes promptly, typically within 10 days. And this must be factual, they must be neutral, and clear enough to stand as evidence in a legal setting. 2. Action tracking. The company secretary has a role to track actions. That means distributing an action list to management within 48 hours to ensure accountability for the decisions made by the board. 3. Statutory filing. After the minutes have been authenticated, after the minutes have been signed, the secretary should ensure that all the necessary resolutions, especially special resolutions, are filed with the register of companies within the statutory deadlines. Then lastly, updating the registers, updating records. Updating records, that's a work of the secretary after the meeting. Updating the company statutory registers, like the register of directors or register of members, based on the decisions made during the meeting. Then lastly, archiving or retention, safely restoring the signed minutes for the mandatory period, at least 7 years for board minutes and 10 years for general meetings, to ensure they are easily retrievable for future reference or future audits or legal inquiries. So these are the roles of the corporate secretary before the meeting, during the meeting, and after the meeting. Before the meeting, 1. Agenda formulation. 2. Board pack preparation. 3. Compliance verification. 4. Logistics. This is the preparation or the planning phase. Then during the meeting, this is the executive and advisory phase, where the company secretary has to verify the quorum, advise the board, document discussions, then manage conflicts. After the meeting, this is the compliance and recording phase. The company secretary drafts and finalizes minutes, tracks actions, does statutory filing, updates records, then archives the records. That's the end of today's lesson and the end of the topic on board and committee meetings. Thank you for attending the lesson. God bless you. Bye-bye.